Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss uh, first question on this particular paper. This is very simple 4-mark question. G of x is e power x square plus 1 and x belongs to R and g dash of minus 1, particularly from differential calculus. Quite simple. And the exponential function differentiation have to be used here. So let me quickly give you the rules. If it's just e power x, it's quite easy to solve, right? So, but here we have e power something function of x. So how this will work? E power, if your function is of this form, e power f of x, its differentiated version is going to be copy that stuff, whatever given, times the chain rule. The exponent function, whatever in the exponent, differentiated f dash of x is what we are going to do, right? Same, let's do g of x is e power x square plus 1. So copy that for g dash of x. E power x square plus 1 times 2x. Differentiation of the x square is 2x and 1 will become 0, right? So that's it. We got g dash of x in a much simpler form, like 2 times x times e power x square plus 1. And now just substitution. G dash of minus 1 is what they're asking for. So g dash of minus 1. So 2 times minus 1, everything is like product. E power minus 1 square plus 1, which is minus 2. And here e power 2. These are g dash of minus 1. And that simple 4-mark we can easily get it over here. Okay. So just e power f of x exponential differentiation is known. Then rest everything is simple. And thank you so much for listening.